Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Steph, and today we will be trying the new Island Play Cosmetics Reggae'ma palette. This is the outer slip, but if I take the palette out, it's exactly the same on the palette as it is on the outer sleeve. These colours really draw me in. Beautiful. It says peace, love and positive vibes. Love that. And on the inside, this is the colour story that we were working with. So yeah, if you would like to see how I got this look, or if you would like to hear my first impressions, my first thoughts on the new Reggae'ma palette from Island Play Cosmetics, then just keep on watching. So I'm first going in with Lover's Rock, which is this beautiful bright pink, and I'm just going to be placing that on the inner part of my crease here. This is nice and bright. I had already primed my eyes using the BPerfect Perfect Prime. This colour is beautiful. So it's coming out pretty much true to pan, which is awesome. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I do have Island Play Cosmetics first palette, which I loved, but the shimmers I found more like satins. I'm so excited to try these shimmers because they look in the pan gorgeous. So we shall see. I am loving this colour so far. It is beautiful. I'm not doing any blending yet, I'm just getting the colours down first. Beautiful. And then next I'm going in with Jamaica, beautiful yellow matte, and just placing that right next to the pink. Ooh. Okay. Well, this is definitely showing up. And I'm just kind of dragging slightly between the yellow and the pink. I can always go in a bit and re-intensify that if I wish to, or if I need to. This is beautiful, this palette, and I love the names. Awesome. It is a bit of a powdery yellow, but it's not too bad. I mean, yellows do tend to be more powdery anyway. Yeah. So this is working pretty well. I am not mad. Well, not the angry mad anyway. Beautiful. And then for the outer V and crease, I'm going in with Creation, the green matte. I just wanted to use as many of the shades as I could. Oh, this is so beautiful. And there is literally no kick up at all in this shade. There wasn't in the pink either, only a little bit in the yellow. Not that I mind it, just a side note, I guess, if you're interested. Also, this look is kind of perfect timing for Pride Month. Beautiful. I'll blend everything a bit more in a bit. I just want to get the general shape and depth, etc. So have any of you guys tried Island Play Cosmetics yet? They have some really beautiful products. And this is obviously their new palette, and I'm so excited to be playing with it. As soon as I saw it, I fell in love. I'm just going in and doing a little bit of blending there. Well, there is a lot of pigment to these shades. I am loving it. Wow. Wow. And then I'm going to take just a bigger fluffy brush just to do some edge blending. I'm literally just gently blending the very edges out. Beautiful, and then going in and blending the other two. Okay, so for my lower lash line, I'm going in with Ivory, and this looks to be, is it a sequin matte? I think it might be, but I want to use as many of these as I can. Oh, this is going to be perfect. So although I loved the Soca Origin palette, the first one, I can see a difference. This is just that much better. Yeah, this is looking good. This colour is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So I know a lot of people don't like sequin mattes, but I don't mind them at all. The little sparkles don't show up on your eyes anyway. So just treat it like any other matte shadow. Yeah, I do really like this look so far. Okay, so I'm going to nip off and pop on some NYX Glitter Primer, and then I'll come back to continue the eye look with you. Okay, so glitter primer on. The first shimmer I'm going in with is Royal, the green. And that is just going right on the outer edge here. I thought it would add some extra depth as well. This is really nice. So just straight away I can say the shimmers in this palette are better than the ones in the Soca Origin. go back and do some blending shortly, but next up I want to go in with Marley. And ooh, look at this. I am liking so much. Look at that. That is stunning. What a beautiful combination. I'm just kind of tapping it over the outer green a little bit. I will go back in with the darker green to assist the blend, but for now I just want to get this down because this is absolutely stunning. Wow. At some point I want to do like a monochromatic green look with this palette because I think, oh, it's going to look so beautiful. But because it's first impressions, I wanted to, well, try as many of the shades as possible. Alright, and then quickly back in with a bit of the deeper one just to tap over the edge. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm loving it. For the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I want to go in with Jar. I'm just going to give it a spray and let's see what this does. Ooh, okay. And another quick spray. This is beautiful. And then just taking a tiny bit under the brow there. Ooh, very pretty. Beautiful. So before I disappear to finish my face, I'm just going to take a bit of Creation, the green matte, and just kind of take some of it onto the lower lash line a little bit, just to add that little bit of depth in the outer part. That's better. That's what was missing. That is perfect. So now I'm going to nip off, finish my face, and then I will be back to show you the finished look and have a quick chat about my first impressions of the Reggae'ma palette. So don't go anywhere. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments section below and let's have a chat. So Island Play Cosmetics, UK indie brand, Caribbean roots. I love the outer design of this. I think it's so fitting and I love how it says here peace, love and positive vibes. I'm all for that, all for that. But what we really want to talk about is this beautiful colour story. I have absolutely no complaints with this palette whatsoever. The mattes, they're so pigmented, but yet they blend beautifully. The shimmers are just beautiful, especially Marley. This one here, Jar, seemed to be a slightly different, slightly flakier formula, but it worked beautifully. I am super happy that I have this in my collection and I'd happily recommend it. Yeah. So there we go. I do quickly want to add these Cursed Cosmetics lipsticks. I have the green one on now, which is extraterrestrial. I'm obsessed with these. They are so comfortable. It's unreal. Love them. Just thought I would mention that. So that is it for today. If you've liked this video, please give it a like, thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you are new around here, as you can see, I like colourful makeup. I'm a huge supporter of indie brands. Just a lover of all things makeup. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, please do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next time I upload. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having a great day, a great evening, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.